Where are we going, honey?
Appalachian Foothills RV and Service.
What are we getting there?
A new washer and dryer.
New washer and dryer.
We don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony. We were never meant to be apart. What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony. We don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know.
Good morning, love. Okay, so we're back at Appalachian Foothills RV Park and Service. We have some warranty work to get done. We have a contract with Wholesale Warranties. So we'll let you know how that plays out at the end, because we're not sure yet ourselves. The washer or the dryer up top here hasn't been working right since we bought it, but we didn't know that. So this is the noise that it makes first. I think you can hear that. That's not right. They're bad bearings. And I think what has happened with those bad bearings, the belt has broke. I don't know, Randy, can you zoom in there? It's not spinning. So we're here to get that fixed, obviously. This here is the washer and the dryer, or the washer. Oh, I guess you gotta put the power on first. When I do my laundry, it's an hour and 21 minutes because Tara broke the knob. It just spins and spins and spins. So that's our chore for today. Randy has a little bit of paint work he wants done on the outside of the rig, and we'll give you an update as we go.
You got it out yet?
Pretty close.
I got the dryer vent off. That thing's about 50 pieces in there.
I love when he's like, oh, that's not good.
Why? What? Once someone
Look, you like my headlight, bro? You gotta get some
You're
tools.
like the dad off of Honey, I Shrunk the Kids.
What you got? Here's a Phillips. You need a Phillips for the tracks. That mess down there. Good God.
That's a fire waiting to happen.
You ain't kidding. Oh,
Nothing I did, right?
Here, you can put that over there before I bust it.
get down. Hey, he chewed one. Get him out of here.
So this is what the new one sounds like. No more bearing noise. And there's the pretty new washer. All right, so we had another successful trip to Appalachian Foothills. And some of the things that we had fixed while we're here. Right up top there on that trip rail, someone had tried to do a repair and silicone it all up, and they kind of made a mess of it. And I had a spot right down here that was peeling, so they repainted that. And then my wet bay door was repainted. It was all scratched up, so they redid that. And of course we had the washer and dryer done. We do got to go back in the bay this morning so they can sand and buff out those doors, the paintwork, and then we'll be out of here. So probably about another hour and a half. Okay, so it was a difficult job, but we got it done with Steven and his crew.
At Appalachian Foothills.
Yep, as usual, they did a phenomenal job. It's perfect. Everything's nice and straight.
Went the extra mile to get it all level for me.
Yep, only took us, we were there for a day to get the paintwork, an hour the next day, and in and out. And the hardest part of the whole job was getting it level down here because this board down here wasn't level. So, and we had a hole in the dryer vent, which we discovered, which is no big deal.
Nope, all fixed. Everything's all good. We want to give out a shout out to Steven and Ethan,
who did the paintwork, and Bird Dog,
and Christian in the office.
Christian in the office did all the hard work.
They took good care of us.
Yep, as usual. So
It's fine. I'm telling you, it's gonna be fine.
Steven, I love you.
It's fine.
He'll be like, Gary, you need a new door. I'm sorry, it wasn't fine.
Wait, the dryer was on the bottom.
Oh,
No, I'm not sorry.
What the? Say not now.
This is worth all the money you're going to charge me right here. This little bit that I'm having, this little fun.
Oh, it's gonna be hard. Don't worry. Yeah, it'll be fine.
You got her?
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. It's free. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video.